And we close with the Lotus Flow. So this is our meditation for today. This is a prayer of loving kindness. So bring both your hands to your heart and imagine a person, a place, a situation, a pet, a friend, a loved one, who you think might welcome a little energetic support today. Someone or some people who are in a challenging environment. And our prayer in the loving kindness is not that their situation be different. Our prayer is that we're able to share strength, that we're able to support them, that we're seeing and believing and feeling that they can navigate, that they have the strength to navigate what they're facing. That grace flows through them in a way that is helpful for them in their situation. We're not so much praying that something change or that something goes away. Our prayers are to support them in what they're going through. And then the flow looks something like this. As we inhale, the hands come up overhead. Touch all the fingers together. And then the hands come down in front of the heart. And then we open. We're making that diamond shape now with the fingers and the thumb and opening the hands. And then we release. Soften the knees. Inhale, bring up energy from the earth. The backs of the hands are towards each other. They're not quite touching, right? So it looks like this to the heart. So this part, everything is coming to the heart. And then we release and inhale and we wrap our arms around the cosmos, gathering in universal energy, touching the fingers together. They come down in front of the heart once again. And then we open. And this is our offering. So it's like we're alchemizing energy from the earth, coming up to the heart, relaxing, inhale, gathering energy from the sun, the stars, the sky, coming down in front of the heart. And then we see and feel this person or the situation receiving this strength, receiving this offering. As you inhale, energy streams up the legs into the center of your being. Exhale, relax. Inhale, hands up overhead. And then it's one long exhale down to the heart and forward. Inhale, the colors of the gemstones, blues, reds, and greens, come up from the earth. Exhale. And the colors from above, silvers and golds and whites, shimmering, scintillating, blending in the chamber of our own heart so that we can then offer. So find your flow. It's a high horse stance, so soft knees, breathing through the nose, moving with the breath. And then get into the flow. Let it be as effortless as possible. We'll spend a few minutes with this in silence, letting this moving meditation bring you deeper into your own heart. The shoulders relax. Keep your face relaxed. Let there be a gentle smile. Seeing and feeling this person or pet or situation receiving this overflowing of good healing energy. Last few with your eyes soft or closed. Letting your whole body move with this. And then slow it down.